This is the Sony WF-SP800N Wireless and Noise Cancelling Headphones. This model is for sports. We're going to unbox and pair the headphones to our mobile phone. So we need to open from this location here, right from the bottom. This is the box, and there are some instructions once you remove the box from the packaging. So we can start pairing by putting the headset into the case to activate. The LED will light, and then we need to download the apps to connect, either from Apple's Store or Google Play Store for Android, and finally take the headset out of the box to turn on. 3 simple steps. So let's remove the headphones from the case. This is the right one and this is the left. And this is the case itself. So we'll put this in the right, so in this orientation, and the contacts, and as you can see, it is now charging. You'll see a red LED. We'll leave it there for a while, but let's look at the other contents in box. So in the box we have got there's a music service for free trial. There's the apps that we need to download, headphone connect, some instructions on how to put on your headphones, and yeah, some other instruction manual. And finally, what do we have inside this box here? Okay, this is the reference guides. And these are some spare earbuds and a USB Type-C cable. So this is what we have in box. The next step, we will download from the Play Store the Sony Connect apps. So do a search for Sony Connect. So this is the apps that we want to download, which is Sony Headphones Connect. We'll install. Once the app is downloaded, we can open the apps. We'll select our country. We need to tap on this box here and start. Go to next. We'll agree and proceed. We'll select OK. We'll allow the headphones to access this device location. Go to next. We will register a new headphone through the Bluetooth settings. At this point, we will remove the headphones. And go to next. Let's go to Bluetooth settings. It has found our Sony WF-SP800N headphones. Select that. There's a Bluetooth pairing request. Select OK. Our Sony headphones are now connected. And it has automatically registered as well. Select OK. We'll proceed without restoring. So we can start the setup and fully enjoy the functions of the headphones. Let's go to next. We can use the adaptive sound control. We'll select later. For this 360 reality audio setup, we will go to next. For the 360 reality audio setup, we'll select later. Select OK to cancel the setup. Our setup is complete. Let's go to dashboard. So there's some information here, but it is not related to our headphones. So we will close this dialog box. So this is how you unbox and pair your Sony WF-SP800N headphones by using the Sony Connect apps.